Republic Day is one of our most important national days. It falls on 26th of January. The new constitution of Free India came into effect on January 26, 1950. India became a Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated to mark that event. Functions are held in every capital town of India on Republic Day. It is celebrated in every nook and big officer preside over the function. Republic Day is celebrated in Delhi with great pomp and show. A colorful parade is held. The President of India takes the salute and unfurls the national flag. The aeroplanes fly past and down flowers. This event looks very exciting. Lakhs of people come to watch the parade. In the evening, a very important government building is decorated with colored moral troops to take part in it. Republic Day is really celebrated in a grand way.
अकमल हमारा भारत और खतीजा तैयार है।